We'll guide you through how to add transition in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a web browser. For example, in this tutorial, I use Google Chrome. To open it, simply double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop. Next, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press enter to open the website. After the page loads successfully, choose the video option to select the design size that matches the project you want to create. Next, as an example, select YouTube video, so the canvas automatically uses the standard video format for YouTube content. This will open a new editing workspace in Canva where you can start creating your slideshow. Go to the left side of the screen and choose the Uploads menu, so you can add media files from your computer. Then click Upload Files to open the file selection window. As an example, select 3 photos that will be used as a slideshow in the video project. After selecting the photos, click Open so the files begin uploading into the Canva workspace. When the upload process finishes, add each photo to the canvas by clicking on them one by one so they appear as separate scenes in the timeline. After placing the images on the canvas, move the cursor to the space between the first and the second photo in the timeline area. When the small transition control appears, click the Add Transition icon to open the transition options. After several transition styles appear on the screen, choose the Match and Move effect because it creates a smooth motion between scenes. Next, adjust the duration of the transition to control how long the effect will play. For example, set the duration to 2 seconds so the transition appears smooth and easy to notice. Ready, click Apply between all scenes so the same transition effect is automatically applied to all slides in the slideshow. After that, close the transition panel to return to the main editing view. Then move the timeline cursor to the beginning of the scene so you can preview the video from the start. Try zooming in on the timeline so the preview and scene positions become clearer. Finally, click Play to watch the slideshow and see the transition effect in action. At this point, you can see the result and confirm that adding transition in Canva is successful.